Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set dual clock on lock screen on the Oppo A5x. Now, if you want to enable dual clock on the lock screen of your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to your home screen, then open settings. From here, just tap on system and update, then tap on date and time. Now from here, you will find the option of dual clock. Now just enable this toggle and enable dual clock on your smartphone. Now the first clock will be set on the current time on your smartphone. Now you will have to set the second clock. For that, just tap on the second clock. Now in the search bar, just search the name of your city. Now from this list, just select your city. And once you do that, you will set the second clock. Now beneath that, you will find the option of display dual clock. Just tap on it. And from here, just select where you want to display the dual clock. Now currently it is on lock screen and home screen clock widget. You can also select home screen clock widget only or lock screen clock widget only. For now, I will select lock screen only. Now once you do that, you will successfully set dual clock on your lock screen. And this is how you can set dual clock on lock screen on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.